Welcome to G Fun Facts Online, where we explore the amazing science hidden all around us. Today, we're diving into a botanical mystery that took nearly a century to solve, a puzzle that connects beautiful garden flowers, ancient rituals, and the man who invented LSD. It all starts with the humble morning glory. For centuries, Mesoamerican cultures have used morning glory seeds in spiritual ceremonies, knowing they could induce powerful, mind-altering experiences. This caught the attention of none other than Albert Hofmann, the Swiss chemist famous for synthesizing LSD. Hofmann analyzed the seeds and found compounds called lysergic acid amides, which are chemically very similar to the ergot fungus compounds he used to create LSD. He suspected a hidden fungus must be living inside the plant, secretly brewing these psychedelic chemicals. But for decades, no one could find it. The fungus remained a ghost. That is, until a dedicated student at West Virginia University finally cracked the case. Corinne Hazel, an environmental microbiology major, was studying how these protective chemicals were passed on in morning glories. While examining the seed coats of a variety called heavenly blue, she noticed something others had missed: a faint, fuzzy growth. This tiny fuzz was the key. Through careful microscopy and DNA sequencing, Hazel and her professor, Daniel Paniccione, confirmed they had found the elusive fungus. They gave it the perfect name, Periglandula clandestina. Clandestina is Latin for hidden or secret, a nod to how it evaded scientists for so long. The fungus lives deep within the plant's tissues, making it nearly invisible. This discovery finally put a face to the name that Hofmann had only been able to theorize about. So what is this fungus doing there? It's a classic case of symbiosis, a partnership where both sides win. The fungus produces a high concentration of toxic compounds, called ergot alkaloids. These chemicals act like a powerful bodyguard for the morning glory, preventing insects and animals from eating it. In exchange, the plant gives the fungus a safe place to live and all the nutrients it needs to survive. The partnership is so successful that these protective chemicals are found throughout the entire plant, from leaf to root. And it's not just one species. Researchers now believe this fungal relationship exists in about a quarter of all morning glory species. Now, it's important to clarify, the compounds made by this fungus are not LSD. They are lysergic acid derivatives, the natural precursors. LSD is semi-synthetic, meaning it's made in a lab from a related compound found in a different fungus, the ergot fungus *Claviceps purpurea*. That fungus has a dark history with humanity. It grows on rye grain, and when people unknowingly ate contaminated bread, it caused a horrific illness called ergotism, leading to convulsions and gangrene. But in controlled doses, these same ergot alkaloids have been a source of valuable medicines, used for everything from treating migraines to stopping bleeding after childbirth. And this is where our newly discovered fungus, Periglandula clandestina, gets really exciting. It turns out, this little guy is incredibly efficient at making these valuable chemical compounds. Its discovery opens up a whole new avenue for pharmaceutical development. By studying its genetic code, scientists hope to learn how to produce important medicines more effectively. They might even be able to tweak these chemicals to create new treatments for conditions like depression, PTSD, and addiction, potentially with fewer side effects. Periglandula clandestina now joins a fascinating club of psychoactive fungi. The most famous members are, of course, the magic mushrooms from the genus Psilocybe. These mushrooms produce psilocybin, a compound that has also been used in spiritual practices for centuries and is now being seriously studied for its potential to treat a range of mental health issues. The discovery of Periglandula clandestina is so much more than just solving an old case. It's a powerful reminder of the incredible, hidden biodiversity all around us and the amazing chemical factories operating within the fungal kingdom. A mystery that stumped the inventor of LSD was ultimately solved by the curiosity of a student, revealing an organism that could inspire a new generation of medicine. It just goes to show you that sometimes the biggest secrets are hiding in the smallest of places, even on the fuzzy coat of a flower seed. Thanks for listening to Fun Facts Online.